day 2 of our breathing challenge, the balancing breath. We will breathe from one nostril and another. You can get a tissue next to you in case you will need it. Raise our arms up, inhale, and exhale, send your fingers on your shoulders, pull your shoulders down, squeeze your scapulars, and remember the Ujjayi breath we did yesterday. Inhale, elbows up, exhale down. Let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, one more time. Raise your arms up, inhale. I would exhale, bring your right knee to the chest and hug it for a moment. Settle in a position. You can do the same thing on your chair. Just bring your knee to the chest and hug it. And then extend and left knee to the chest and hug it. Have that nice stretch in your glutes. I really like this one, to do it in the morning. And now extend. And today we will do a balancing breath. So we will lift your arms up with deep inhalation. I would exhale, send your arms next to your chest, to then release your left and index finger and middle finger down, keeping your ring finger and thumb. Inhale. I would exhale, send them next to your nose. So while we're here, your thumb is right next to your right nostril, ring finger next to your left nostril. Take a deep inhale with both nostrils. Inhale. I would exhale, close your right, exhale with your left. Inhale with your left. Close your left. Exhale with your right. Inhale with your right. Close your right. Exhale with your left. Inhale with your left. Close your left. Exhale with your right. Inhale with your right. Close your right. Exhale with your left. Inhale with your left. Close your left. Exhale with your right. Inhale with your right. Close your right. Exhale with your left. Inhale with your left. Close your left. Exhale with your right. Inhale with your right. Close your right. Exhale with your left. And inhale with both nostrils. Now breathe in your own pace. Relax your hands. And let's remember the Ujjayi breath. Inhale. I would exhale. Bring your right knee in. Hug it with the left hand. Right hand goes behind us. Inhale, grow tall. Exhale, look behind you. Feel that gentle twist in your body, and give me 2 Ujjayi breaths. Inhale, exhale. One more inhale and exhale. Untwist your pose. Straighten your right leg, lift your left. Hug. Give it a hug. Take a deep breath. Inhale. I would exhale. Right hand, left hand goes up and behind you. Inhale, look to your left first, and then exhale, look behind you. Gentle twist. Give me 2 Ujjayi breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more inhale. I would exhale, unwind this pose. Look in front of you, straighten your leg and lift your arms up. Inhale up. Exhale, bring your arms in front of you into a praying pose. Release your left, right goes into mudra. Hands, thumb and your ring finger goes next to your nostrils. And once again, balancing breath. Inhale. Exhale, close your right. Exhale with your left. Inhale with your left. Close your left, exhale with your right. Inhale with your right. Close your right, exhale with your left. Inhale with your left. Close your left, exhale with your right. Inhale with your right. Close your right, exhale with your left. Inhale with your left. Close your left, exhale with your right. Inhale with your right. Close your right, exhale with your left. Inhale with your left. Close your left, exhale with your right. Inhale with your right. Close your right, exhale with your left. Release both. And take a deep inhale. Start breathing in your own pace. And let's lift your arms up. Once again, inhale. I would exhale, left hand goes on the floor, right hand reaches the sky. Relax your neck and give me 3 circles with your arms when you include Ujjayi breath. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Center yourself. Raise your arms up. Inhale. Exhale, right arm. Reach the sky with your left. Relax your neck. Inhale. Exhale, 3 Ujjayi breaths as you turning your left arm. Rolling your left arm. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more inhale. And exhale. Inhale, center. Raise your arms. Exhale, arms in front of you. And let it go. Notice how you feel. Close your eyes. Don't forget to write a comment below. How do you feel today? Track your progress. And I will see you tomorrow. Same place, same time. And we will continue our 5 days challenge.